Hey everyone, AYANEO Pocket ACE is a newly released Android gaming handheld that blends modern technology with a nostalgic design. Built around Qualcomm's Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 platform, this device offers powerful performance while maintaining a classic horizontal layout that feels familiar to those who have used retro handheld systems. AYANEO has designed Pocket ACE to handle both modern and older mobile games with ease, making it an appealing option for players who appreciate versatility. One of the standout features of Pocket ACE is its 4.5-inch IPS display, which has a 3:2 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1620 by 1080. This screen size and format provide a balance between clarity and portability, making it ideal for both pixel art games and graphically demanding titles. Display delivers sharp visuals while keeping overall handheld compact and easy to carry. Under the hood, Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 chip ensures strong CPU and GPU performance, positioning Pocket ACE among top-performing Android gaming devices. AYANEO claims that this handheld can match or even surpass capabilities of gaming smartphones, allowing users to enjoy high frame rates and smooth gameplay. Whether playing mobile-optimized games or running emulated titles from previous generations, device delivers a seamless experience. Battery life is another crucial aspect of any handheld gaming system, and Pocket ACE is equipped with 6,000 mAh battery to support extended play sessions. The inclusion of 40-watt fast charging ensures that users can quickly get back into their games without long downtimes. AYANEO has also integrated efficient power management systems to optimize battery usage and keep the device running for longer durations on a single charge. Control-wise, the Pocket AC stays true to both classic and modern gaming inputs. It features a D-pad for precise directional input and A, B, X, Y buttons that can be toggled between Japanese and Western layouts, making it adaptable to different gaming preferences. Additionally, the device incorporates Hall-effect joysticks and triggers, which are designed to improve accuracy and prevent the dreaded stick drift that often plagues traditional analog controls. Haptic feedback is another area where AYANEO has made significant improvements. The Pocket ACE is equipped with a high-quality 0916B linear motor, enhancing immersion by delivering more refined vibration effects during gameplay. This feature is especially noticeable in action-packed or racing games, where feedback can provide a greater sense of realism. AYANEO has announced plans to launch the Pocket ACE on Indiegogo, making it accessible to a broader audience through crowdfunding. With its combination of a high-resolution screen, powerful hardware, well-thought-out controls, and immersive feedback features, the Pocket ACE stands out as a strong competitor in the growing market of Android gaming handhelds. Whether for casual mobile gaming, retro emulation, or high-performance Android gaming, this device offers an excellent balance of power and portability. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.